Okay, so we're coming to you from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're on a little mini vacation. My name's Stacy George. That doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna let you know my wife's name is Karen, and she'll be telling you what the different sounds of this shofar is. So I got this shofar on January the 13th. It came in at 1300. I ordered it from Jerusalem, from Israel. It came in on the 13th of January at 1300. It was exactly 50 days from the day I ordered it. It looked horrible when it come in. It was in a box and it had been mangled, been wet and lost. They lost it and they gave me an update on 12/12 of 2019 at 21/21, which had been 9/21. They found it. So we were going to get our money back and all that. But anyway, we finally got it after 50 days. And it came in on the 13th at exactly 1300. I was sitting on the back of my tailgate of my truck at 1 o'clock when the mail lady ran with this horrible looking package. But anyway, so I've been doing the shofar a little bit, just playing around with it. So I'm not going to be perfect like a lot of people, but I'm going to show you that if I can do it, anybody can do this. And I may mess up, and we're just going to do the video best we can. But the bottom line is, it's been January, so this is what, May, and I just play with it once a week for a while. Now I do it every night for about the last probably 3 weeks to a month. Every night, wake the neighbors up and everybody else probably about dark every night. Sometimes during the middle of the day, just depends. All right, so anyway, there's 4 sounds that are made, and Karen's going to talk to you about those.
Okay, yes, there are 4 traditional shofar calls. And the first one is called the tekiah, which is one long blast. Go ahead.
All right.
The second one is called the shivarim,
That's right.
which is 3 rather short blasts. Okay, the third one is called the teru, which is an alarming sound with 9 short blasts. Okay, and the last one is called the tekiah gadol. Let me say that again. Tekiah gadol, which is one long blast that gets louder as it goes.
All right, so that's all 4 of them, and they're not perfect by no means. This has been a very humbling experience with this shofar, and so I watched one video. I watched a few videos, but there's one guy, the Shofar man, that does this thing, does it really good. Probably the best I've seen, about a 2-minute video. But anyway, I want to do one just to show if I can do it, any human being can do it, because I have no rhythm. Not very skilled with singing.
You can't play any other instrument.
Yeah, no, I never play another. I never done any kind of instrument, so it's not great, but it's anybody can do this if I can do it, and it's fun, and it's a blessing to do it. And what I've found that when you learn, you're practicing or whatever, but when you feel in the Holy Spirit that you need to do something, then you need to do it, and that's when you use the shofar. And you'll see it in some church services done different things at different times. And so anyway, may God bless each one of you, and remember, if I can do it, anybody can do it. May God bless you, and good night.